guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty. I'm here with my mom Kathy, and today we're going to show you how we make our goat's milk soap.
Yes, and today we're gonna show you a different method that usually I add it to the batter, any kind of milk like a trace, or I put it in the oils. But today I'm gonna do like a different method. We're gonna with the frozen milk. And we're going to use, instead of a fragrance oil, we're going to use essential oils. We're going to use the lemongrass essential oils. So let's go and do this.
Let's get soaping.
Alright everyone, this is Kathy and this is how I prepared my milk. My goat milk was frozen. I did this actually a couple of days ago. And I put in this bowl, and I like this kind of bowls because they're metal. It's stainless steel. Don't use anything like copper or aluminum for this project because you're going to use lye, and lye doesn't react very well with that kind of metal. It's very bad. You don't want to do that. So then I put some ice underneath in the blue bowl over here, the plastic bowl, and then I have my, like you can see, that's the goat milk frozen. Then I'm using some manuka honey that I got from Marshall's where I work, and then I have our oils over here, our essential oils, the lemongrass in this case, and we're going to use a little bit of French green clay. Right over here, French green clay here. I'm gonna do a little bit. We're gonna save some of the batter and put some French green clay in there. Do a little bit of a swirl for that. So it's gonna be all natural soap. And what do I have? Okay, the oils I'm using today are coconut oil, castor oil, avocado oil, olive oil, and cocoa butter. So that's gonna be a delicious soap. Okay, so let's go and start the lye here. Start dissolving the lye. So I'm going to dissolve the lye a little bit at a time, because if we put it all in there, it's going to burn the milk. We don't want the milk to burn. It's actually, I'm going to take my time, and I'm going to make sure that's as cold as it can be. So I'm going to put a little bit of this in there, and you guys got to see I was going to start to melt the milk. Okay, just a little bit here, and we're gonna mix it up. Mix it up. These are a little too big of a chunk. I should have cut them down, but oh well, that's okay. So I'm gonna be doing this slowly. I'm not gonna rush it. Because like I said before, I don't want the milk to burn. We want it to have a nice light color. I know that sometimes if you do it too much, it takes a little bit of an orange tint. And just because it's too hot and it burns a little bit, it gets scorched. So you can see it's already starting to melt it. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's about 20 minutes and as you can see, the lye is melting the milk cubes here, the milk that was frozen, the frozen milk. Alright, and so see, it's still nice and white. It's not orange. It's because I'm taking my time, because I do not want this to burn. So I'm going to go and see over here. I'm going to put more lye now. I'm doing this like really, really slow, because like I said, I do not want my milk to burn. And underneath there is ice, so this is not very hot at all, because the sugars in the milk, with the lye, they're going to burn out, and we don't want that. I want this to be as white as possible. It's not going to be white, it's going to be more like a creamy color, like my last soap that I did before. I didn't make a video, but I decided I wanted to make a video because people have been asking about, oh, you know, how do you do that? What kind of process do you use? So there you go. Now everybody knows. This is my all-natural milk soap. And this is the goat one. And I do like to use other milk, do the same kind of method I'm doing now, using the same kind of method I'm using now. Because I just like it, the way the soap comes out. I'm going to do a different kind, maybe a, I'm thinking about a different kind of milk soap, but I don't know yet what I'm going to decide. But this is the process. So look how beautiful this is still. This is beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to, alright, so I'm just going to go and finish this, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end when it's all melted. Okay guys, Kathy's back. Alright, what I have in here, I have my oils like I told you before, and I have already put some colloidal oatmeal and some manuka honey in here, and I blended up beautifully, and that's it. So we had to wait a little bit for our milk here and lye solution to get to temperature, because we don't want to put, you know, this lye solution in here when it's too cold, because it's not good. It's not going to turn out good. So one thing about when you make this milk with the lye solution like this with the milk, it smells kind of bad. It smells like ammonia, and it's just the reaction the milk with the lye. Okay, so let me do this now. I'm going to put the lye in here right now, because the oils are ready. They're 10 degrees difference. This is about, the lye solution about 65 degrees, and this is about 75, 74. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain it, because the milk gets really thick and kind of weird. Sometimes I like to strain it. Okay, sorry about that. And my strainer here is very thick, as you can see. Very, very thick. So I have my milk in there, my milk and lye solution in there. So now we're going to blend it. Okay, so I think now we reached a very light tray. As you can see, there lives a little trail when I do this. I don't know if you can see it from there, but it's a very light tray. So I'm going to put my essential oils, the beautiful lemongrass here. Trying to get all of it in there. So let's see, let me get a little thing here. Alright, this is nice. And we're going to blend these in lightly. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take a little bit of this batter and put it in a little container. And I'm going to put the French clay in there, blend it a little bit. So, I'll put in this little container here. See, it's getting a little yellow now, but but that's just the way it is. Because it's goat milk. I'll put some of that in there. I'm gonna blend this baby too. Alright. There we go. Almost there. Okay, so this is ready to be molded. I'm gonna put in the mold, and I'm gonna put most of it in here right now, and I'm gonna do a drop here with the French clay here. And then I'm gonna take my spoon and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do the other way too. With my left hand that I can't really control because I'm right-handed. Alright, so there we go. I don't know if this is gonna show up. We'll see how it works. And then I'm gonna just keep going. Mess anything around. Okay, so and then I'm just gonna do a little bit of a design here. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the French clay one. We're not going to put any mica on top, nothing. This is natural, very 100% natural soap. So essential oils, and for colorant we used French clay, green French clay. So that's it. Now what I'm going to do, because I don't want this to gel, I am going to put this in the freezer for a couple hours, and then I'm going to move it into the fridge, because I don't want it to gel. Okay, so guys, that's it. So we're gonna come back tomorrow. For you guys it's only a second, less than a second, and see how it looks. If it looks good, we are going to cut it. Okay, see you guys in a sec. Okay guys, here we are, ready to cut our goat milk soap and honey and oatmeal that I put in here. It's still soft, but I need to cut it because I need a lot of room over here. We're making soap like maniacs every day because we're selling out of everything. But anyway, that's a good thing. So let's see, I already cut the first little slice over there, and so I'm going to go and cut the next one here and see what it looks like. Like I said, I have to be careful because it's very soft still. But look at this. This is all natural soap. This is the French green clay, and the yellowish tint over here is because it's already starting to, it was starting to gel as I put it in the freezer and in the fridge, but you know, you can't really help it. It's milk soap. It gets like this sometimes. That's the way it is. And it's beautiful, beautiful, kind of yellowish, orange, brownish, with the beautiful swirl over there of French green clay. This is all natural soap. And like we said before, the scent is lemongrass. It smells amazing. It's beautiful. Alright, so let's go and finish this. And be very careful, very gentle here. Let's see what the other slices will look like. It's a very, very nice soap. This is great for somebody who has a sensitive skin. It's wonderful. It's very gentle. It's not vegan because it has goat milk, and mostly it's goat milk and vegetable oils, but also has honey in there, has manuka honey in there, a little bit of it. So not a vegan soap. Sorry about people there like vegan stuff, but I'm thinking about making a coconut milk soap, kind of like this one over here. You know, like all mostly milk instead of just put a little bit of milk in there, like do the lye solution with the milk, just like I did with this. And the trick about, you know, to have a beautiful soap like this, I'm very happy that it doesn't have any glycerin rivers or anything like that. I'm really happy about that. The trick is that you really have to be patient and let the milk and the lye do its thing, okay? Don't rush it. I didn't want to put any titanium dioxide in this one because I wanted it to be totally natural. That's why I used essential oils instead of fragrance oil. So it came out really, really Alright guys, this is what it looks like very close. Over here it's a little bit of beigey, brownish, you know, color, because like I said before, that's the way milk soap gets. It's not white when it's natural. I never seen a really white milk soap. Sometimes lighter, but not lighter yellow, but you know, not white. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe so we can make more videos. And also, if you like to buy one of those bars, you can come to the Buckley Public Market on June 6th and you can get a bar. If I make more and these go very well, I'm going to put these on Etsy too, and you can get one from our Etsy store. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day, evening, wherever you are, and thank you for watching. Bye, and see you guys in the next video.